Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Roszy Peterz. In today's video I'll be showing you a very easy DIY padded shoulder muzzle shirt. So if you want to see how I changed this to this, then please do keep on watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe if you enjoy it. So here we can see an oversized t-shirt. You could have yours in any color at all, it doesn't really matter, but I know every girl has an oversized t-shirt. So the first thing you would do is take the strap of your bra, make sure it's tight. Yeah, that's mine there. Make sure it's tight, and then you put it on top just like that. Now make sure it's well arranged. Arrange it as much as you can, and make sure that strap is exactly where you want to be taking it in. I don't know if you get me, but you should get me. It should be where you want to take the shirt in. So you want to make sure you arrange the shirt after you put the shirt in. So as you can see, I'm trying my best to arrange the back, and then there will be a lump in there. You have to arrange it too. So there are people who would want theirs like this, but I do not like when my arm is all out. So that's me trying to show you, if you want yours like this, you can still adjust it further, but I do not like my arm out. That's why I did mine this way. So you make sure you adjust the back. It's very necessary. If you have somebody there with you to help you, then it's fine, but try to adjust it. So we're going to do exactly what we did here to the other side. I'll be showing you again in case you didn't get it the first time. Take the strap of your bra out, then place it on your shirt. Try to adjust as much as you can. Then you take it in and try to adjust from the top. So there you have it. That's how I like mine to be. So you can adjust further if you want your arms out, but that's just the DIY with no sewing at all. You don't need to sew, and you know I'll give you ways to style it. Yeah, I have my round necklace just to give a pop, you know, that gold giving the pop. And then another way to style it, if I was, I would wear a belt, a golden belt. And then top it up with a purse to just give it a pop of color as always. So if you did enjoy this video, do not forget to please give it a thumbs up, and also leave a comment in the comment section telling me what you like about this and what you think I should have done better. Until next time guys, bye.